Hello everybody, this is Witty Smirk here, back with another video, and today we're going over how to turn any website into an EXE. So as you can see, we got Billy Bob's app right here. It's currently under maintenance, and right now Billy Bob's still developing that, but you can enjoy it shortly. Obviously this is a joke, but to start off, we're going to go into our file, Billy Bob's app, or folder, excuse me, and we're going to click Git Bash here. For you guys, if you don't have Git Bash, I highly recommend you get it, but you don't have to. Really, all you have to do is just say open command prompt here. Okay, so what we're going to do is say npm init. So we're going to initialize our app and turn it into an actual app. Alright, so the package name is Billy Bob's app. The version is 1.0. The description is a test app for turning a website into an EXE. The entry point is going to be main.js. We don't have it yet, but I like naming stuff main.js. Test command. We don't really need anything right now. Get repository none. Keywords Billy. And the author is going to be Witty Smirk or your name. License, don't have one, and yes. Great, so now we've got our initialized app. So we're going to open it up in VS Code. For convenience purposes, I already have it opened up. And we're going to open up package.json and scripts. We're just going to delete this testing. And we're going to say start dot electron dot. And I don't forget, we just need to say npm install electron. That's our first dependency. It's pretty much just turns your HTML file into a native cross-platform app. So I'll be right back after that installs. It's going to take a while on my computer. Okay, now that we have this, we're also going to install our second dependency and final dependency, npm install electron packager. This is what's going to turn it into a actual downloadable exe file. And of course, I'll be right back after this downloads. Alright, Electron Packager is installed, so we can get coding. So now we got our package.json ready. We've already got our index made. And we're going to create a new file named main.js as referred to in package.json. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up our module. So we're going to do constant app, comma, browser in brackets, window equals require parentheses electron. Alright, then we're going to do constant path equals require path. So that just gives us our path. Alright, so now we need to create the window. So what we're going to do is we're going to do function create window and we are going to define our constant main window equals new browser window, and we're just going to make it into an object and with the width of 800, height of 600. Okay, so now we got that made. We're just going to do main window dot load file index.html. Okay, outside of the app or this function that defines the window, we're going to say app.when ready, and then we're going to say dot then create window. Now we're going to say app.on window dash all dash close. We're going to make a function. It's going to commit the function of where we using if statements, if process.platform is not equal important to Darwin. Oh, this is not supposed to be in brackets. I do not know why that came out. And then we're just going to say app.quit. Now we're going to create another one that says app.on activate. Then if that happens, then we're going to do function if browser window dot get all windows dot length is equal to 0, then create window. And now that should be it. Actually, I don't think we need this path thing. We might, but anyways, what it does is essentially it creates the windows in this function, and it defines the window height, and it says load the file index.html inside of it. And then when ready, create the window when the app's ready. And then app.on windows closed, which is a function. If that happens, that's going to commit the other function. And if the process platform is not equal to Darwin, it's going to quit the app. If the app is activated, then if that function is called, then it's going to commit another function that says if the browser window get all windows length is equal to 0, in other words, the browser window is ready, then it's going to create window. So that basically safe locks it. So now we're just going to do npm start, and I'll be right back with you after this runs because it's going to take a little bit on my computer. Okay, so Billy's Bob app is up and running. As you can see, it's scalable. It's a window. It's scalable. There's a file bar with exit, edit, view, window, minimize, maximize, zoom, or more documentation, etc. But you can always customize these with Electron, but we're just teaching you how to simply convert it to a website to an EXE today. So we're just going to exit that, and now that we know that it's running, we're going to straight up go into package.json again. We're going to change this from electron dot to electron dash packager dot, which is going to run the packager instead. So now we're just going to say npm start again, and I'll be back with you after this runs as well. And we get an error, so unable to determine, please specify. Okay, so I'm pretty sure the way to fix this error is I did not list the dev dependency of it, so we're just going to say dev dependencies equals an object, and included is electron, and it's gonna be Upair 8.1.1 if you downloaded it today, and it's good. And if you downloaded it later, then it's gonna be whatever it is. So just check with your Electron version. VS Code should detect it for you. And then we also need to add the packager dependency version, and it's gonna be Upair 14.2.1. And that's all the dependencies. Sorry I forgot to add that, but if we go ahead and run npm start again, that's going to say packaging app for platform Win32 times 64 using Electron version 8.1.1. And if we wait for it to run a little bit, it's going to complete. It's going to say wrote new app to files location, and it's basically just going to open up a new folder within your folder. And right here we see, okay, so right here you can see billybobsapp.exe, and you can throw this thing into any launcher or installer, and it will work with these dependencies. And as you can see, it says Billybob app is under maintenance, but more importantly, we've got a working Electron app that is converted to an EXE from just any normal website. So yeah, I hope you guys find this information useful and use it wisely. I'll see you guys all in the future videos, and so yeah, just like, subscribe, comment any errors you have, or if you just want to say something nice down below. And yeah, peace.